Good morning students. In this video lecture we are going to discuss about class 6 topic the earth in the solar system. So students, during night time we see stars and moon in the sky, and during daytime we see sun. So the sun, moon, stars and all those objects shining in the sky are called as the celestial bodies or the heavenly bodies. So every object which belong to the surface of the sky is known as the celestial bodies. So today we are going to discuss our first celestial body, that is the stars. Stars are those celestial bodies which have their own heat and light. For example, sun. Yes, our sun is also a star because sun have its own heat and light. But here two questions arises in our mind. First, why do we feel the heat of the sun and why do we not feel the heat of the stars? So the answer is the same, that is the distance. Because the distance of the sun from the earth is less than the distance of the stars from the earth. Stars are far away from the earth. That's why we don't feel the heat of the stars. And the earth is near the sun. That's why we feel its heat. So students, there are millions and millions of stars in the sky, and some stars form a group arrangement or a pattern known as the constellation. Like we have Ursa Major or Great Bear or Saptarishi. So in this diagram, this is the Ursa Major pattern or Ursa Major constellation. In this diagram, you see that there is a pattern or the combination of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. So the group of 7 stars is known as the Ursa Major, or it is also known as the Great Bear, because it is somehow created a shape of the bear, and Hindi we call it the Saptarishi. Like that we also have Ursa Minor or Little Bear and so on. So the students, the name given to these constellations are proposed by the scientists on the basis of their shapes. So scientists gave the name to these constellations according to their shapes and according to their astrological predictions. I hope in this lecture you came to know about the celestial bodies, stars and constellation. Thanks.